Welcome to 12th Street. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath in a fourplex. The back unit of the fourplex off of the street and down the alley has its own private little area, a 2-car garage. This private patio is open to your own creativity in adding seating and plants and anything else that you might see fit in this area. Enter into the living room, dining room, kitchen combination with recessed lighting, brand new refrigerator, microwave, range, and dishwasher. For added convenience, you have a half bath on this level and all tile floors and 2-inch faux wood blinds. A large under the stairs closet and direct access to your large 2-car garage and laundry room with washer and dryer. Forgot to mention the brand new quartz countertops as well in the kitchen. Let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. You'll find 3 bedrooms, all with their own bathrooms. The landing has a nice light area for an added desk if you like, or sitting area. The first bedroom has recessed lighting, 2-inch faux wood blinds, a large walk-in closet, and a bathroom with a pedestal sink, a walk-in shower that's fully tiled, and more storage above the toilet. Just down the hall, you'll find the second bedroom, also very spacious, with recessed lighting, 3 separate closets, all with mirrored closet sliding doors, and its own private bathroom, once again with a walk-in shower. This perfect home allows for plenty of space for multiple residents to have their own private bathrooms and large rooms with ample storage. The final bedroom is also quite spacious with a sliding mirror closet door, recessed lighting, 2-inch faux wood blinds, and a bathroom with plenty of sunshine and light, and another walk-in shower. If you're interested in viewing this beautiful unit, it's available now. You can view or apply at jamico.com.